So John and four friends are going out for pizza for lunch. They split one pizza and five large drinks. Okay, so the pizza cost $10, and the total they spent was $16.75. Find the cost of one large drink. So um, I'm going to define my variable here. I'm going to say um, let D equal the cost of one drink. We define the variable so that when we find what D is equal to, we know what it stands for. It's standing for the cost of one drink. Okay, and then we say, how do we do it? Well, we say, okay, well, 5 times D, whatever the cost of one drink is, times 5, because you're getting 5 of them, plus the $10 for the pizza, will equal $16.75. And of course, we want to first subtract away that 10 for the pizza because we're concerned with just how much did the drinks cost. So we say 5 drinks at cost D will equal $6.75. So okay, we say 5D divided by 5 because we want to know how much one drink is 675 divided by 5, or D equals. If you'd like to see this solved on the side over here, you could say $6.75 divided by 5. 5 goes into 6 once. 5. Bring down the 7. By the way, the decimal will go straight up. And that's why it's important to keep everything in the right place. Okay? So 5 goes into 17 3 times. That's 15. And bring down this final 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. And we say the units are dollars. Okay. And I will type this out then. The cost of one large drink is $1.35.